Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's do an unboxing real quick. I'm gonna do another palette bingo, but for fall palettes. I got another Pinch Me box, another cute little box. They sent me two little samples of ROC little daily serum serum glow. Revive plus Glow Daily Serum plus Vitamin C. This one right here. So I'm excited. I don't care for little samples like this anymore. I used to like them. And then this one's a line smoothing daily serum. That's what this one looks like. And the last thing. And here is like a full-size brow. I don't know what it's called. Is it Dazzling Eyes? It's like an indie brand. Never heard of these. Double eyebrow pencil. So that's what it looks like. QIC Dazzling Eyes. Have anybody heard of that? Sometimes you get like full-size samples from pinchme. It's free to sign up. You just go to pinchme.com. That's what it looks like. And I was scrolling of like, how do you get free samples and free stuff? I'm trying to open this. So like a couple years ago, I discovered, on YouTube how people get free stuff. So here's a spoolie on this side, and I think I like these bigger triangular ones. That's all the product that's in there. I'm wearing like powder plus little thin lining one, and I think I like the big square ones better. It's my preference on that. So here is the fall palettes I'll be doing today. That was it in the box unboxing, but at least I got free stuff, So here is one palette. Oh good, I haven't worn this one in a while. Dominique Cosmetics from BoxyCharm. I think it was like more of a fallish type of palette. So I Heart Revolution Sour Cherry. Here is the palette, the Celestial Thunder from Dominique Cosmetics. And to me, like, this reminds me of fall. This reminds me of winter. So yeah. And then here's the little I Heart Revolution Sour Cherry. And that's what this cute little palette looks like. 1 through 8. 5, 6, 4. Cool, we have another 8 palette. So I don't have to change the number. And 6, 3, 4. Here's what the color story looks like. Very interesting. But I kind of like it. You got 3 mattes and 3 like, pretty much like 2. It's more like a matte looking, but I think it has like metallics, shimmers kind of look. I'm going to put the Zero Gravity in the crease. Hopefully it looks good. I don't know. So it is kind of like a dark color. It's like a khaki gray color. Very pretty. Like, you never see any of this color in any other palette, so that is unique to me. Shadow is really nice. I always thought like her shadow wasn't really that good, but every time it surprises me because I just feel like it's a hard pan, but it's not. I think that's called Lucid Dream. I don't know. But this pink right here, I'm gonna go with the crease again. This pink. That is a really like bright pink. Very pigmented. I always thought like, for some reason, I'm like, her shadows ain't good, but I think it is. Going in with Storm Dust right here. It's like brick brown. I always do like the same look always, but with different colors. Because I'm usually going somewhere and sometimes I don't know I'm going somewhere and I just want to make sure I always have like the eye look you would go somewhere with. And nothing too crazy. So that is why, you know, I don't do crazy looks because I always tend to go somewhere. It's a little patchy. I don't know. I think some color wore off or something. Going in with this yellow gold shimmer metallic shade. Primed my eyes with glitter glue. Sometimes some shades do good applied with finger. You get that like extra pigment. Going to put this shade in the inner portion of the eye. So I'm going grocery shopping today and possibly eating out. I don't know where at though. So I'm probably gonna be driving again. I get so stressed on the road, but my anxiety is horrible on the road. But I need to keep trying and keep trying and keep trying. Because one of these days, you just never know. You're going to have to drive every day. I like when John drives me places because I'm just like, okay, I can relax. Going in with this purple right here. So yeah. Just going underneath the eye. And nothing much going on. Just my pinch me box. I get excited to get something that I haven't gotten in a while. I'm like, when are they gonna ship them in boxes? Like, it's been months ago that they have been filled. It's just haven't been shipped. And now I have to review them and test them out. Reviewing them is not as fun. But I do like testing them out. I don't think I like this eye look, but we'll see once the mascara is on. Okay, for my lashes, I'm wearing, for the bottom is the item from Ipsy. I don't think I like this one, but I'm gonna keep trying. It's with this weird little wand here that I think it's just meant for the bottom lashes. I don't think I like the formula, but I don't know. And then for the top lashes, I am trying this Milk Makeup waterproof one that I got from my last BoxyCharm. And on top of that, this is Snapscara, the purple one. So that is it for my lashes. This look is okay. It's better than I thought that it could be. Could be worse. The palettes are really nice, pigmented. Nothing wrong with them. I didn't really get much fallout, which is nice. These are like nicely packed in there. In the shadows, they're really nice, pigmented, but the pink is like wearing off right now. And the gold yellow is on the crease. What do you do? Nothing. This little palette. I do like Makeup Revolution shadows. They're really nice and affordable. So this is a really good formula. I don't have any problems with these at all. They're really nice. I highly recommend them. So that is the look for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.